What's up guys, the next thing we're going to get to on this car is some interior door cards for the back. So for this historic saloon car racing series, we've got to have all of the interior fitted out and it's going to look like brand new. Now this is an old race car, it was turned into a race car in the 1990s, so all of the interior is long gone. So we've got to restore some of that to be eligible to race in the historic saloon car series.
So guys, we're on the back of the car now, and you can see this is what I'm talking about. The interior side cards are just gone, long gone. So that's what we're going to make up today. We're going to make those from scratch. You can see we've already made a rear cover for the whole back of the car. That, while it's not original, does comply with the rules because we've got this cage in the back, and it's pretty difficult to fit a rear seat with the cage in the car, so they allow you to just have a cover like this. So this is fully just made from scratch using vinyl and sewed together. So now we've got to make some side cards for the interior, and then that'll be the back of the car fully compliant. We don't have to put a roof lining in, you are allowed to have that removed. It's a little bit of a grey area about up in here because that's originally part of the roof lining, and so since that's gone, I think that still complies. If they don't like it, I guess we'll find out later on and you guys will be along for the ride. So that's what we're going to start on. I've already cut a template out for the side, so I'll show you guys that and then we'll start making the real deal. Okay guys, so we're all done. See, we've got door card fitted on the driver's side over here. Clammed around the roll cage a wee bit. And that sort of lines up with the stitching on the driver's door as well. And around this side, same deal. So I think that should be the bare minimum we need for interior for the back to go racing. I think that should keep everyone happy, so here's hoping.